Hi, it's Kat. Let me share with you some tips for taking pictures of cats. So here's Cathy looking out the window. Cathy is my boyfriend's cat. She kept moving, so I decided that I would take a video and then I could pause the video and take a screenshot. Here I really like where you can see the blue reflecting in her eye from the sky. This one, I kind of don't really like the windowsill, and there's that really distracting black rectangle on the window taunting me. So I took another video with a different angle where I'm kind of blocking that out. I'm trying to get the blue in the background. I was kind of waiting for her to make that sound that cats do. You can't really see the blue reflecting in her eye as well from this angle. You can see the focus adjusting in and out. This one I like, except there was something else bothering me. I adjusted the composition so that you couldn't really see that, but now the TV is in the background and there's things in the foreground that I don't like. So it's just really challenging finding the composition where you're not having things in the background that you don't like. I'm gonna have to learn some more Photoshop skills to kind of adjust and take out things that I don't like. So now I'm just gonna let you watch the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching Cathy. My cats were very interested in listening to the birds chirping in this video, and I hope this maybe helped you learn some techniques for taking pictures of your pets. So taking a video and then pausing it and taking a screenshot. So I will see you next time.